Time to unbox this Dell 27-inch 4K UHD monitor with the model number of S2721QS. It comes fully packed, opening the top lid, first taking out the cupboards and then the foams, and then finally I can pull it out. Inside there is a power cable, display port, cable, as well as some other paperwork. Getting the foams out, removing the plastic cover, and here is the monitor. Unfortunately, I can't use the given display port cable in order to connect it to my MacBook, but instead I use the HDMI cable. First, insert the power cable to the back of the monitor. At the back, we got two HDMI ports and one display port. I connect the HDMI cable to the first HDMI port, and then we can plug in the power adapter. It has got a good length power cable. Then you should get a message saying there is no cable connected. Bring in your laptop or computer. On the side of your MacBook, you should find HDMI port. Connect your HDMI cable to your MacBook, and now when you open your MacBook, you should be able to see the monitor immediately detected the MacBook and it displays it as an extended display. It's a 4K display, so make sure to play videos in 4K resolution, and I'm really impressed with its video quality. It has got a 99% sRGB color gamut, 163 pixel per inch, 16:9 aspect ratio, 4K resolution, that is 3840 by 2160 at 60 Hz. It supports 1.07 billion colors. You can see when I zoom in into the video itself, the quality of color is really good, and you can easily adjust its height by pulling it down to lower the height or pulling it up to increase its height, and it's one of the easiest way I've seen to adjust a monitor's height. You could also turn the monitor to the right and to the left by 21 degrees. You could also move the monitor up or down by 5 degrees. And because it's an in-plane switching technology, that is IPS, it lets you see in extraordinary colors across a wide viewing angles. You could also easily turn the monitor from landscape into portrait. You just might have to turn the monitor a bit upwards first, and then you can easily turn it into any orientation you want. At the bottom right hand side, it has got 4 buttons which you could use to adjust its settings. For example, to select a preset mode for the color. It has got 3-watt stereo speakers. You could use this button here to adjust its volume. And here you could see many other options that it has that you could use to adjust. If you have any questions or need any help with any of these settings, let me know in the comments below. And the furthest to the right, there is a button to turn off or to turn on the monitor. After closing down your laptop, press the power button to turn off the monitor. And when you turn on your laptop, press the same button to turn back on the monitor. Bear in mind, you will need to wait a few seconds after pressing the power button for the monitor to turn on. It's definitely one of the best monitors I've got. There were 3 main reasons why I bought this monitor. First is that it's an IPS technology. Second, it covers 99% sRGB color coverage. And finally, Dell has a very good reputation. I totally recommend it. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. To support my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe.